How to fix network error code 0x800704f8 in Windows 11 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. Press Windows and R keys on the keyboard. Type gpedit.msc. Press Enter. Go to Computer Configuration. Double click on Administrative Templates. Expand Network. And click on Lineman Workstation to select it. In the right pane, find Enable Insecure Guest Logons. Right-click on this policy and select Edit. Check the option Enabled and select Apply. Then click on OK. Close the registry editor. Now click on Search. Type Local Security Policy. Click on the result Local Security Policy under Best Match. Expand Local Policies. Then select Security Options. In the right pane, look for Microsoft Network Client Digitally Signed Communications Always. This one, Microsoft Network Client Digitally Signed Communications Always. Right-click on this security policy. Select Properties. And make sure that it is disabled. Click on OK. In the same way, for Microsoft Network Client Digitally Signed Communications, if server agrees, right-click on this security policy, select Properties. Select Disabled, click on Apply and click on OK. Close the local security policy window. Now the error code 0x800704f8 will be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.